When you're designing compact fluid control systems, reliability and easy installation makes all the difference. In today's RS Product Spotlight, we're taking a closer look at the IMI Norgren KIP Q2 series, a versatile, direct-acting solenoid valve engineered for clean, efficient, and dependable control of liquids, gases, air, and vacuum. The Q2 series is a compact two-way normally closed direct-acting solenoid valve designed for precise fluid control in tight spaces. It uses a durable lightweight plastic body and quick push-to-connect fittings available in 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch sizes. It offers multiple orifice diameters, giving engineers flexibility to match flow requirements without oversizing the system. Consistent with the broader KIP valve family, the Q2 series is built for reliable, long cycle life and consistent performance, helping reduce unplanned downtime on critical lines. These valves feature a minimal pressure drop architecture, which helps reduce pump load and energy consumption over time. Selected Q2 models use food-grade EPR seals and carry NSF certification, making it ideal for food and beverage applications such as dosing, dispensing, filling, and washdown systems. The Q2 series support a wide range of coil voltages, along with sealed options like Buna N or food-grade EPR, ensuring compatibility with liquids, gases, and vacuum applications. Q2 valves withstand operating pressures up to 120 psi and media temperatures from -10 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, with coil classes rated up to 311 degrees Fahrenheit depending on configuration. This makes them durable enough for industries such as industrial automation. The Q2 series benefit from IMI Norgren's modular engineering approach, offering options for custom materials, porting, electrical terminations, and mounting configurations to suit specialized OEM applications. You'll mostly see the Q2 series in food and beverage equipment for dosing, filling, and washdown applications, medical and laboratory devices for compact footprint and media compatibility, general industrial automation for reliable air, gas, and liquid control, and OEM machinery that requires durable, direct-acting solenoid valves in confined spaces. With the KIP Q2 series, customers gain reduced downtime through reliable direct-acting performance, easy installation with push-in tube fittings, energy savings from low-drop flow paths, hygienic and food-safe configuration with NSF-approved EPR seals, and versatile engineering options for pressure, media, voltage, and mounting. If you need compact, dependable, and application-ready solenoid valves for liquids, gases, or vacuum, the IMI Norgren KIP Q2 series is a top choice. Check it out on RS or reach out to our RS engineering support group to find a Q2 configuration that fits your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.